Have you ever wondered how your health information is stored and accessed by doctors? In today's digital age, understanding electronic health records, EHRs, is crucial. EHRs are transforming healthcare by making patient information more accessible, accurate, and secure. As future adults, it's important for senior high school students to be informed about the advantages and implications of EHRs over traditional paper-based records. What are medical records? Medical records are systematic documentation of a patient's medical history and care. They come in two primary forms: paper-based records and electronic health records, EHRs. Paper-based records are the traditional method of recording patient information on paper, whereas EHRs are digital versions of patient charts accessible via computers. So why is it relevant to this modern world of healthcare? EHRs offer numerous advantages in the healthcare settings. They provide better accessibility, allowing authorized healthcare providers to access patient information from different locations easily. EHRs enhance accuracy by reducing errors associated with handwriting and transcription, and they improve efficiency by speeding up the process of retrieving patient information. Additionally, EHRs come with enhanced security measures to protect patient data and facilitate integration with other healthcare technologies and systems. This survey will answer the following questions. 1. How do students perceive the efficiency of electronic record systems compared to traditional paper-based methods in Barangay Health Centers? 2. What are the perceptions of students regarding the accessibility and security of patient information with electronic health records in Barangay Health Centers? To gauge the general knowledge of senior high school students about electronic health records, Grade 11 students from Integrated Basic Education in Holy Name University conducted a survey. We asked key questions such as whether they know what EHRs are, how they think EHRs compare to paper-based records in terms of accessibility, accuracy, if they believe understanding EHRs is important for their future healthcare needs, and if they have ever seen or interacted with an EHR. The title of the study we conducted is Impact of the Use of Electronic Records in Barangay Health Center. There are 38 respondents in our survey, comprising of 10 male students, 26.3%, and 28 female students, 73.7%. In terms of age distribution, the majority of respondents are 17 years old, with 23 students, 60.53%, followed by 16-year-olds accounting for 11 students, 28.95%, and 18-year-olds with 4 students, 10.53%. The survey used a scale from strongly disagree to strongly agree and a scale from never to always. This is to understand students' perception of the impact of use of electronic health records. The survey first asks, where do these respondents heard about electronic health records? We have the options: media, internet, friends, family, relatives, and health care centers. In the media bar, the mean is 1.81, which describes disagree or DA, in the Likert scale description. The internet bar has a mean of 2.06, which describes disagree or DA, in the Likert scale description. The bar that represents the friends, family, relatives has a mean of 2.04 that is described as disagree or DA, in the Likert scale description. Lastly, the bar that represents the health care center has a mean of 1.33, which describes strongly disagree or SDA, in the Likert scale description. Here are the results of a questionnaire on the general knowledge of students regarding electronic health records. The first question: do you consider yourself to have a good knowledge of electronic health records? The mean is 2.68, which describes neutral or and in the Likert scale description. The second question: do you feel proficient in the use of digital clinical systems? The mean is 3.08, which describes neutral or and in the Likert scale description. The third question: I understand my use of social media. The mean is 4.34, which describes strongly agree or SA in the Likert scale description. The fourth question: I understand how my personal use of digital media may link in with professional use. The mean is 3.79, which describes agree or A in the Likert scale description. The fifth question. I have a deeper understanding of the advantages of healthcare technology. The mean is 3.29, which describes neutral or and in the Likert scale description. The sixth question. I have a deeper understanding of the problems encountered with healthcare technology. The mean is 3.08, which describes neutral or and in the Likert scale description. The seventh question. I was able to understand the concepts of using electronic health records. The mean is 2.92, which describes neutral or and in the Likert scale description. The eighth question. I found a digital system easy to use. The mean is 3.26, which describes neutral or and in the Likert scale description. The ninth question. I would be more confident using healthcare technology. The mean is 3.03, which describes neutral or and in the Likert scale description. The 10th question. I agree that having knowledge of electronic health records is crucial for work efficiency of healthcare providers. The mean is 3.92, which describes agree or A in the Likert scale description. The 11th question. I understand that the accessibility of data improved with the implementation of electronic records. The mean is 3.61, which describes agree or A in the Likert scale description. The 12th question. I find implementation of EHRs has reduced errors in data. The mean is 3.05, which describes neutral or and in the Likert scale description. The 13th question. EHRs are easy to access for healthcare providers. The mean is 3.32, which describes neutral or and in the Likert scale description. The 14th question. I understand EHRs will play a significant role in the future of healthcare. The mean is 4.0, which describes agree or A in the Likert scale description. The 15th question. Communication with healthcare providers is being improved. The mean is 3.89, which describes agree or A in the Likert scale description. The 16th question. Digital system is often organized. The mean is 3.58, which describes agree or A in the Likert scale description. The 17th question. Data quality is being improved. The mean is 3.79, which describes agree or A in the Likert scale description. The 18th question. Electronic health records have enhanced collaboration among healthcare providers. The mean is 3.55, which describes agree or A in the Likert scale description. The 19th question. Electronic health records will continue to evolve and improve healthcare delivery in the future. The mean is 4.11, which describes agree or A in the Likert scale description. And finally, the last question. Electronic health record is worth the time and easy to use. The mean is 3.92, which describes agree or A in the Likert scale description. The survey showed that most grade 11 students agreed on the questionnaire about the impact of the use of electronic health records. Understanding electronic health records is essential for navigating modern healthcare. By conducting this survey, we aim to educate and raise awareness among senior high school students about the importance and benefits of EHRs, preparing them for a future where digital health is the norm. This survey also highlights how valuable students' opinions are in addressing the use of modern technology in healthcare, as their insights figure out specific interventions and action.